Well, hello, and this is a short little practice, little yoga practice, just to do like that in the middle of the day when one feels restless, maybe like tense, when you want to jump out of your body. Something to help your mind refocus. And we're gonna keep it simple, short, something you can just get up off your chair once in a while and do without having to need a bunch of room. So let's place our feet under our hips. Line that up a little bit. Inhale the shoulder up and back here. And inhale one arm up. Now look at it if it's comfortable with the neck. Anything that don't feel good, we don't do it. Only if it feels nice. Now press, inhale and press gently. This very butterfly, like a butterfly is pressing into your shoulder. And maybe inhale that arm up a little more. And exhale it down. Other side. Inhale the arm up. Maybe just halfway. Maybe you want to inhale your hand to your hip and you're still going up. That's good. Put it wherever you feel or you need it to be right now. Huh? And maybe inhaling, shoulder open a little bit. Same thing, the elbow back. Actually the shoulder and then the elbow back. Maybe looking up. All options you can do. And gently exhale down. Picture a little butterfly with a little string like in the little puppet cartoons down. Now let's see. We can repeat that one side at a time like we just did. Or we can do 2 times both arms at the same time. So you pick. So you pick if you want one arm and then the other or both twice. So let's maybe a little bounce in the leg, and feel free to do that sitting down too, Inhale very slow. Now we're gonna go slow, slow, slow. If they went up too fast, you can leave them there. You can go back down with me. Now take as many breaths as you need in between the cue breath, of course. Here we go, like you're swimming forward in slow motion. Exhale the hand straight down. Let's swim back up. Feel like there was water under your finger. And very gently, you're weighting this water as if you were floating in the water, maybe on your back. And just moving your arm. And exhale down. Again. Inhale very slowly, weight the water, and then add a little land. Maybe feel what's a little further away. Adding a little reaching out, a little land to it. And exhale, shoulder down, and then your hands comes down. Now let's inhale one arm again up. Exhale the other hand to the waist. And just move a little bit towards it. Just send your hip out. Or just lean towards your arm here. You've got you, right? Maybe looking up. And if you want to let go with that arm, maybe adding a little land down also. Inhaling, opening. Exhaling, relaxing. Next inhale, send both fingertips up. Exhale, other side. The body follows, so a little bit of a side bend here. Opening the hip, shoulder if it feels nice. Maybe the other hand is down. Maybe looking up. And exhale, the arm down. Now let's inhale our nose up. In yoga, we're looking all over the place. We need to make sure this is very relaxed. So you may want to take your fingertip here, send them just touching the back of your head and neck, just to make sure you don't send your head too far back. And then exhale the chin down. If you want to add the arm, you can exhale your elbow towards each other. Or you don't. You can keep your hands on your hip. Inhale, open the elbow and start looking up very, very gently. Exhale, close. Now we can keep on doing it like that. Your elbows don't have to touch. Well, I'm gonna add to it so you can feel free if it's something that's for you to add. Inhale, open. Exhale. If you're sitting down, just start crunching forward. If you're standing like me, send your bum back. Just send them back. Keep going. Inhale as much as you want. Bring your elbows towards each other and towards your knees. And then inhale and exhale your arms down. We're coming back up by only lifting one vertebrae at a time. So very unfolding the back. Use a chair if you need to come back up. Legs are engaged towards each other. So pull your leg towards each other. Shoulder, neck, and head come last. Little shoulder roll maybe. Inhale again, fingertip up, exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Just slowly come down, bend your knees if you want, hold the chair, come only halfway, part way, whatever way feels nice. Just relax a little bit, just hang in there like a rag doll. And again, inhaling very slowly and take as many extra breaths you need. Unfolding your spine and coming back up. Here we go. Inhale, shoulder up and back. So maybe sending the fingertip towards each other in the back. Inhaling, fingertip away. Exhale, relax the neck, relax everywhere. And shoulders. Little shoulder roll again. Inhale, arm forwards. A little self-hug here. Maybe bend, little bend side to side. Look towards your elbow nooks. Round your back, and little side to side motion. Breathe here. And reverse your little hug. Nice little kumbaya hug. Anytime you need it, go for it. Oh yes, it feels nice. So little baby body circle. Maybe you want them a little bit bigger. Don't go too far with this. Flex the knees as much as you need to. That's what they're for. And inhale back up. Exhaling the arms down. Release everything. Everything feels nice. Little baby circle, maybe with the hands to our side. Make sure the neck is all restfully. And now let's send our bum back. So we're going in chair, but you know, when we do chair, it's nice having a chair to hold on to. Something sturdy. It can be the side of the couch too, but if you have a chair next to you, you can use that if you want. So other than that, let's place our ankles right under our hip, the little bone here. Big toe in a little bit. Inhale, and then exhale. Pretend you're sitting in a chair. Maybe you have a chair you're holding on here, and you have another chair behind you, and you want to bring your bum, like you're almost sitting. And when you're sitting, you're inhaling your chest up. So exhale, sit in that chair. My toes are lifting because my weight is all on my heel. Inhale. And if you want, bring your arms up. Exhale, press in your leg. And then one more time, or you can go just send your bum back a little bit. Maybe it's a ice bar stool, you know, and you don't have to go too far. So you pick where your chair is. Inhale and exhale. Belly button to the spine. Bring your bum back. Inhale a little bit. Maybe the tailbone wants to just curl a little bit there. If it's too much tense on the... See if it's going to ease that. If it's not easing that, push in your foot. Come up a little bit. Inhale up and exhale. But I can't finish the class like that without Yogito. So, let's... Yogito, would you like to come say hi? Yes. before we close the little tutorial here. Hey, Yogito. Say hi to your fans. Say hi to your fans, baby. Yes, they come to see you more than me, yes. Because you're fluffier and you're sweet. Well, maybe I'm fluff and sweet. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Namaste.